to demonstrate the presence of air in soil and water. Air is present in both soil and water. Living things that live under the soil and in water breathe the oxygen in the air between the soil particles or the oxygen dissolved in the water. The solubility of air in water decreases as the temperature increases.
Madam, how will you detect the presence of air in soil and water?
Let's perform an experiment to detect the presence of air in soil and water. The materials required are soil, a beaker, water, a gas burner, and a vessel. Test for the presence of air in soil. Procedure: take some dry soil in a beaker. Add a little amount of water to it. Observe the soil carefully. Observation: some bubbles start coming out of the soil. Result: soil has air present in it. When water is mixed with soil, it displaces the air, which is seen in the form of bubbles. Test for the presence of air in water. Procedure: take some water in a vessel. Heat it gently on a gas burner. Observe the water as it begins to heat. Observation: some bubbles start appearing on the inner surface of the pan. Result: air starts escaping in the form of bubbles as the water is heated.
Thank you, madam. This experiment has made the concept very easy to understand.